Road to the Sun is a highlight you don't want to miss. Hello everyone and welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure channel. This time I'd like to take you to Montana Glacier National Park. Road to the Sun spans about 50 miles at Continental Divide at Logan Pass. Keep in mind it fully opens late June, early July, and it can close in third week of October. Sometimes that can change if sudden weather conditions. During your traverse you will be able to see impressive glaciers, cascading waterfalls, beautiful valleys and towering mountains. Also you'll have a chance to encounter wildlife and to see beautiful wildflowers. If you're up for a drive through National Park, make sure you start pretty early in the morning. If you don't want to drive, you also have a choice of taking a red bus shuttle service, and also National Park offers free shuttles. There's so many features you don't want to miss. It's hard to decide where to stop to see the engineering marvel. Also, be prepared for sudden weather changes. The temperatures at Logan Pass can quickly drop to the single digits. Also, sometimes it can plunge below 0 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updated on a new content.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on